Fix in 5. Let's decode P0432. Catalytic converter system efficiency below threshold, bank 2. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Pull over and deal with this. The light isn't bluffing. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, possible decrease in fuel economy, possible reduction in engine performance, possible rotten egg smell from exhaust. Now the most likely causes. Deteriorated or failing catalytic converter bank 2. Damaged or malfunctioning downstream oxygen sensor. Exhaust system leak or restriction. Engine running too rich or too lean. Defective downstream oxygen sensor heater circuit. Here's how a pro pins it down. Verify code and freeze frame data. Visually inspect. Monitor sensor data live. Check for other related codes. Test post-Cat02 sensor function. Check fuel trim data. What does it cost? Roughly €180-450 doing it yourself, or €300-570 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Replace catalytic converter bank 2. Replace downstream oxygen sensor bank 2. Repair or replace damaged exhaust components. Check and correct fuel injection system if running rich. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask. Is it safe to drive with P0432? Driving with P0432 active is not recommended. This is a high-severity issue that could lead to engine damage, safety risks, or sudden vehicle shutdown. Have the vehicle inspected immediately. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0432. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.